We just landed in LA. No one on the crew has slept in a while, but we had to check out the HyperX offices because they've got tons of new stuff here and it's absolutely fantastic. So come along with me and we'll check it out. So we get to what's probably the coolest room in all of LA, to be completely honest, and puts my personal LAN area to shame. In my LAN area, I have some like crappy zombified systems that are barely running. In here, they have systems with dual 480GB RAID 0 to SSDs from HyperX, more RAM than you could possibly want, and HyperX headsets all over the place. This place is insane. It's a 5v5 LAN gaming setup where the leader of both teams is going to have dual monitor setup so we can manage the stream, and they're going to have tournaments in here all the time. I'm really excited to see what they push out of here as we get to check out the caster room next door. So this is the disconnected casting room. It's not set up for it right now, but if there's a tournament going on, the casters could be in here, which is going to be very nice because, like I said, it's disconnected. The players don't have to hear the casters talking about the game, which could potentially ruin the game. So it's great that they have this set up for when a tournament is going on. I may or may not have gotten caught trying to sneak into their testing lab, but this is where all the cool hardcore stuff goes down. This is all the testing, checking out new modules, maybe DDR4, I'm not sure, didn't get in there, but we'll move on for now. So just in case you weren't absolutely sure that you wanted to quit your day job and try to work here yet, these are their office computers, which are some of the most beast machine office computers I've ever seen, and everybody here gets a custom need for seat chair. This place is amazing. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff and if you want to see more of our E3 coverage, be sure to subscribe to Linus Tech Tips and go to hyperxunbeatable.com and subscribe there as well.